Bug. Bug? Okay. So do you see him? Is he up here at the top of the page? Do you see him up there? Where is he? Can you point to him? That's right. Good job. You found him. Can you show me where he is? Where's Goldbug? No, I think he's on the other page. Isn't he on the other page? Do you see him? At the top of the page? Can you point to him? Yeah, good job. You found him. Yeah. More. Okay. Do you see Goldbug? Where is he? Where's Goldbug? I see him. Do you see him? Is he riding in the car? Is he riding the purple car? Do you see him? Right there. Good job.